Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made this beautiful 3-tier cake stand using flowers and of course epoxy resin. So without further ado, let's get to it. For today's cake stand, I am using these molds which I got off Amazon. I will link everything I use in the video down below. And these molds came with cake stand holder as well, so that was great. And here are the flowers that I will use to make the cake stand. They are hydrangeas and I am just in love with them. They are great to press and they are great in the resin as well. Also, I am using a gold leaf. As it is the first time I'm making this kind of project, I wasn't really sure how to go about it. So I decided that I will mix a little part of resin with gold leaf and the other part of resin I will keep clear transparent. And this cake stand is actually a gift to my dear friend. Lately she been helping me out a lot and we known each other for over 20 years now, which thinking like that makes me feel I'm getting old. But anyways, I gave her some options and she chose a cake stand. And also she chose to keep it transparent. So of course I decided to do it in layers. I think we all agree that this is how you do the cake stands. And yes, I measure resin about half of what is the necessary for this cake stand. So here I am spreading it out and popping all the bubbles. I'm taking a great care of it because it is first time and I want that it comes out very nice for my friend. So I spent quite a bit of time to getting rid of all tiny bubbles, especially around edges. And then after I thought, how can I involve the gold? And here I am spreading it out. I wasn't sure really what I was doing or how it's supposed to be done. So after a little bit spreading, I decided to get on with the flowers. And here I am placing the flowers around randomly. So if you are enjoying this video so far and finding it useful and entertaining, please click a like. My channel is still quite young and every little help is appreciated. Thank you very much. And now back to the video. Here I carry on placing the flowers. I place them on top. I don't put deep in the resin, just on top, so they're kind of floating now. And after I finish placing my flowers, I'm taking my gold leaf resin, and I am going just to spread it around in the gaps between the flowers. I thought at that point that everything was going excellent, very great. And soon after I placed my flowers, I noticed that they are funny flowers and they start to move around, going into the center. So I was faced with another challenge. I had to stay there until the resin started to get jelly-like and move the flowers back where I wanted them actually be staying. And it took me about 40 minutes when I kind of gave up and I said, I hope they're gonna stay where I put them. So here is kind of lesson for you all to don't do what I did. If or when I will do it next time, I will place the layer, let it cure, and then I will put a thin layer of resin and place my flowers, and they're actually gonna stay where I want them. And yes, here I am fighting. I'm starting my fight with them. And of course, I'm not gonna show you all 40 minutes me fighting with them. But of course, I'm not gonna bore you with that. So, this is it. I'm gonna cover them and leave them to cure for about 24 hours. And here you see is the next day and they still manage to move around themselves and it's alright, but could be better. And now it's time to put top clear layer. So the flowers are sealed in between. Wow, I can't believe that it is already beginning September. The summer has gone by so fast. And honestly, the weather, as always, has not been the best here in UK. Lots of rain and not sunny at all. But still, you can feel that it is changing seasons and autumn is coming. And soon my boy is gonna go back to school and I will have more free time, which is great. And also, I have big celebration ahead of me. My Etsy shop is going to be 1. It is amazing. I can't believe I have had it already for 1 year open and running. So for celebrating that, I am giving 10% off my Etsy items for 2 weeks. So if you are interested and would like to see, head to my Etsy shop, Resin Shine Creations. Okay, back to the cake stand. Enough blubbering. I applied the second layer. I put some heat on top so the bubbles pop and left it to cure. and I left it to cure for about a week because I wanted that it's really strong and doesn't bend. And here I am demolding it. I am super excited at this point. I can't wait to see how it come out. And there is a hole that I will need to drill a bit because I covered it. And I am wearing my gloves because I don't want to make any scratches, leave many fingerprints, because I feel it's such a delicate item, especially when it's transparent, so you wanna be touching less as possible. And this is the middle. And now I'm gonna unmold the small one. And I love how these flowers, they look exactly how they look before I was putting them in the resin. So that's why I absolutely love hydrangeas. And here I am with my Dremel, drilling a hole. And yes, we have a hole. I am super excited. I look forward so much to put it together and see how it's going to look. So I didn't wait nothing. I straight took the Dremel and started to drill and put it together. Wow, I can't believe that today's video, all video, I have just spoke and I haven't even put a little bit of music. That's so unusual for me. And here is the cake stand holder, and I just need to assemble it. And it is very easy to do. Of course, here I didn't tighten it 100% because I am going to take apart it in a bit. But I just wanted to see that it is fine, that everything is fitting everything. And ta-da! Here is my very first cake stand, and I am super happy how it turned out. All left is to do is to paint edges gold, and it's going to be finished. And here we have a finished cake stand, and I absolutely love it, and I hope my friend will love it too. So, if you found this video useful and entertaining, please leave a comment down below and let me know. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!